welcome to my channel, Best Version channel. I'm Juliana, and first of all, I want to thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you guys that have subscribed in the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Muito obrigada. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the button, subscribe button down here and be part of the channel and help this message to reach and help more people out there. We all know that we harvest what we plant. What have you planted throughout your life? If you're not satisfied with things that you have done in your life, if you're not satisfied with things that you're harvesting at this moment in your life, I bring you good news. We can change. We can start planting goodness, positivity, gratitude, honesty, generosity, love, all good things to be able to have a good harvest, to harvest happiness and success. On the Bible, in Galatians 6:7, it says, I'm gonna read, we need to take responsibility for what He has asked us to carry, because eternal life comes from planting by faith. We must keep in doing good. The harvest will show that we planted well. And it's interesting that I wrote this message in my notebook, that it says faith plants the seed and love makes it grow. It's interesting. Yeah, this message teaches us to take responsibility over our mistakes, and we are humans. We are not perfect. Do not be hard on yourself. We all make mistakes and it's okay. That's how we learn. And we always have the chance. Every day is a new day with a new chance to change what we're planting. So we can change today and start planting good things. But don't be anxious, because we know that when we plant something, when we plant the seed, it takes time. We need to water, we need to take care, we need to wait it to grow to be able to harvest. So it's the things in life. It's the thing that you're planting now. Therefore, my friend, I want to tell you, if you just started a class in college or in your school and it seems difficult, don't give up. Or if you want to go to college and if you dream to study something, or you have a dream, but you use the word hard, you use the word difficult, don't think like that. Just don't give up. Be persistent. And with dedication and a little time, you're gonna harvest from that. You're gonna harvest success. If you, my friend that just started a marriage, if you just got married, I know the first year has a lot of challenge, it's not easy, but don't give up. You guys are two different people, learning from each other, growing together, so be patient. Don't give up. Keep praying together. Plant the seed of communication, understanding, love, and giving. With time, you guys will figure out what works and what doesn't work for your marriage. Grow together. If you just started the business of your dream and it's going slow, don't give up. Be persistent. Big companies, they started small too. So just give it time in your dedication and add love in everything you do, and you're gonna harvest success. We can't give up easily when the challenge comes. It's okay to make mistakes, it's okay to face the challenge. Just be honest with yourself and with others. Plant good seeds and you're gonna harvest amazing. You know why? Because God, He gives us more than we ask for. So if you plant a seed expecting that you're gonna just harvest that the same plant, you're wrong. You're gonna harvest way more than that. It's like the corn seed. Corn is planted with one seed, but we harvest several years. Ask Him for wisdom, patience, and strength your faith. So, starting today, my friend, what are you gonna choose to plant? Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the message, please thumbs up down here. Share the message with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have an amazing week. Start planting good seeds, and I'm sure that everything you want and everything you dream, you're gonna harvest way more than that. Believe in yourself. Be your best version today and every day from now on. Thank you.